Hi, this is Jackie Phillips, and I'm a beauty expert for EHA. The best way to get rid of wrinkles is by using an anti-inflammatory cream. So the best way to apply the anti-inflammatory cream to get rid of wrinkles is you want to just put a little bit on your hand, like so. This can control the amount you're going to put under your eye as opposed to just like squirting it under your eye, because you want to gently tap it. And you're going to just use this finger and just gently tap it under here, under your eye, not too close to your eye ever, just under here where you can see the puffiness and the wrinkles. And what the anti-inflammatory cream does is it's going to help fill in those areas and reduce any swelling or puffiness also. My favorite trick when using these creams is to always put something cool to help reduce swelling as well, and it gives a flatter surface. So you can use a baggie of ice, which I have here, and if you're using a baggie of ice, you're just gonna make sure you're always sitting up and you're a little elevated, and you're just gonna hold the ice under your eyes just for a few minutes. Take it off, see how it looks, and you can always do it again. I also love using cucumber masks. Those are great. So you put a little bit of that anti-inflammatory cream, cucumber mask, and you can just lay there and relax. These are the best ways to use anti-inflammatory creams when trying to get rid of wrinkles and puffiness.